Today I am reviewing HP OmniBook Stripes 317.3-inch laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Finding a massive 17.3-inch laptop that strikes the right balance between desktop replacement capability and budget friendliness is a tough challenge. Today we're looking at the HP OmniBook Stripes 317.3-inch laptop. Model 17-DP0199N are in Mica Silver. This machine bundles an efficient AMD Ryzen processor, an upgraded IPS display, and long battery life into a chassis designed for casual users, remote workers, and students who need screen real estate above all else. If you want to check out the current pricing or full specifications while we go through this review, I have placed the links right below the video description so you can find out exactly where it stands today. The absolute centerpiece of this machine is the display. HP chose a full high-definition 1920 by 1080 resolution IPS panel. In this budget tier, manufacturers frequently use cheap panels that distort colors if you shift your head off-center. This IPS display ensures full 178-degree wide viewing angles, keeping the image sharp and consistent whether you are watching a movie or working on a spreadsheet. The massive screen size makes multitasking seamless, letting you snap two full windows side by side without straining your eyes. The trade-off is portability. This is a large form-factor PC meant to command a desk, so if you plan to commute with it daily, you will need a specialized larger backpack. Powering the system is the AMD Ryzen 330 processor, paired with the integrated AMD Radeon 6 10M graphics architecture. This setup is built for everyday reliability rather than heavy engineering. For web browsing with multiple tabs, running Office suites, streaming media, and managing emails, the laptop operates smoothly, quietly, and stays cool. The graphics handle high bitrate video streaming and basic photo adjustments easily. However, you need to keep your expectations realistic. This is not a gaming rig or a high-end creative workstation. Demanding AAA games or complex multi-layer video editing pipelines will easily hit the processing limits of this hardware. Memory and storage are well balanced for daily workloads, featuring 8 GB of high-bandwidth LPDDR5 RAM and a 512 GB solid-state drive. The memory allows you to jump between your browser, communication apps, and Office documents without stuttering, while the fast drive ensures the computer boots up in seconds and launches applications instantly. HP also upgraded the communication hardware, adding a full high-definition 1080p webcam with an HDR auto switch. This ensures your video calls look remarkably sharp, even if you have a bright window behind you. It is paired with an advanced AI noise reduction system that actively filters out background noise and typing sounds, focusing solely on your voice during important meetings or online classes. The input interface is equally practical, featuring a full-size keyboard with a dedicated numeric keypad for seamless data entry, along with a dedicated Copilot key to pull up AI assistance instantly. Battery performance is incredibly strong for a machine of this scale, rated for up to 14 hours and 15 minutes of use depending on your tasks. It breaks the old stereotype that giant laptops have to stay permanently plugged into a wall. When you do run low, HP Fast Charge brings the battery from 0 to 50% capacity in about 45 minutes. It is also an eco-conscious build, carrying Energy Star certification and an HP Silver Climate Plus registration. This laptop is an exceptional match for students, remote administrative workers, and families who want a shared home PC with a spacious, comfortable screen that prevents eye strain. However, if your routine requires constant travel, public transit work, or high-performance capabilities like software development and heavy 3D modeling, this machine is not the right fit. For the everyday user looking for maximum display size, nailed-down communication features, and dependable battery life without breaking the bank, the HP OmniBook 3 delivers a smart and practical value proposition.